What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, look at here. We've got a Polaris Sportsman 500. Nothing. What's that noise? What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Here we have the Polaris Sportsman 500 HO making a terrible vibration and rattle. It has also been discovered that it will not go forward or reverse, so one can only assume problems here. So what we're going to do this morning, I'll throw you in some time lapse. We'll get this footwell out of the way and we'll get that belt cover off there. We'll see what kind of carnage we got back there. Alrighty then. Welcome back, people. Well, that was a bit of a struggle. Some of these bolts in the old floorboard were, yeah, a little bit seized. Not a huge deal. Drill them out. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all are catching any of this. See all that? No debris. Look at that. Yeah. Looks like a rat's nest down there. But this belt. I'm gonna try not to bump you. Look at that. I'd say he got every bit he could out of it, wouldn't you? And that little thing right there is what's making all the stupid clicking noises in this one. I'm not sure where that came from. Get it out of the way. We'll get you guys in here for a little better shot. Yeah. Nice, ain't it? Anywho, I guess where we go from here is new parts, huh? So I'll tell you what, let's do. I'm gonna make sure some of this stuff is secured enough out of the way. We'll go ahead and start this thing, and we'll see if some of the noise is gone. But I have a feeling this little chunk of belt down here. Let me just see if I can't pull it all off while I got you handy. Ugh. Come on. I apologize, my camera skills still suck. Come on, goodness gracious. So obviously this will need to be a part one. Need to get with the customer. This thing needs both rear axles replaced anyway. See how far he wants to go with it. Good gosh, how long is this? Golly. This is like the small intestines. Just keeps going and going. There we go. Now we're getting down to the meat. Yeah. Look at that beauty. Come on, man. You ain't got to do this to me. He said she was running good. I bet she was. Until this happened. You can't take an old antique belt. This is probably original belt. And ride it like it's a new one. Look at all that shit. Huh? Good God. I think that's all of it. A little bit left, but not much. If I can hold you guys in there so I can just watch through you. A little bit of stuff. Try to get that off. Golly, man. This is why I highly recommend people just pick a certain time. I think it's stuck in there in that pulley. All right, she goes together. But don't wait till this happens. Just put a new belt on it. You know what I mean? Ain't no sense in this. Cause I've seen these belts blow a cover apart. This ain't necessary. Oh my goodness. She ain't been very friendly to me. Anyways, you guys get the point, right? She needs a belt. So, alright, part one. I'll bring you guys back when I get a belt. We'll put this thing together. Well, no, I was gonna start it, wasn't I? Dang it. Let me get this shit off there. He's coming. It's real slow like. Let me put you back in the stand. Let me get this little piece of shit off there. I wouldn't be very good at it one-handed. Yeah, well, it's broke. You got a piece of it hung up in there. Maybe it'll pull it out. Anyway, let's get some of these tools situated. We'll fire it up. Make sure that motor's gone. That ought to be enough. Y'all ready? Contact. Still kind of rowdy, but I think it's all in that primary since there's no belt. Yeah, it's all in this bullshit here, huh? Well, it threw the rest of that. No, it didn't. It's still in there, but I can get it out. All right, people, like and sub. There will be a part 2. Appreciate y'all joining in.